What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bino99, and of course I got a lot more sneakers to talk about with y'all today. But first, how y'all doing? I hope y'all having a blessed day. I hope everything's good. You know what I'm saying? I hope nobody's bummed out by something, but if you are, just let that go in the past, because today we got a lot more sneakers to talk about. A lot, and unboxing as well. So why don't we get right to it with this? You know what I'm saying? Also, if you're new, go down below, subscribe, like, comment, share, and also just be a fan. Don't be a hater, okay? So while we open this box right here, all right, let's go. What's this? Okay. I don't know why the Nike box looks small, but Jesus. What? Can y'all guess what this is? Like, looking at the size of the Nike box, cause this is kind of funny. I ain't gonna lie, like this is crazy. But what we got here? Royal blue, Nike Dunk Low SP. Oh, okay. Size 11, as y'all can see, size 11. Women's 12 and a half. Let's take a look. No way. No fucking way. Yo, we got the Cobalts, aka Duke babies. Yo, look at this shoe, man. Like, damn, that shit's crazy as hell. Look at this pair, yo. We got the Cobalt Dunks. Now, I don't know why they call it Cobalt Dunks. If anything, they should be calling this the Duke Blue Devil Dunks, if you ask me, because look at this pair, yo. Like, does it not scream Duke University for you guys? Like, or better yet, DePaul University. Like, those are the only two schools that I know that have the blue colorway. So yeah, like this pair is literally screaming right now. Like, of course they got that orange Nike logo in the insole as well. The leather of this quality shoe looks amazing. Stitching looks all right. Yeah, they nailed everything. And what else they got? Nope, that's it. Even the trademark on the back, almost dropped the shoe. Even the trademark on the back looks okay. And when we look at this leather right here, comes back up straight. So it's a perfect shoe. The Nike check looks very well too. It looks very well done, crafted. Also has that little peep right there too. You'll see this in stores as well. If you have not seen stores, then I don't know what to tell you about this shoe, to be honest. But other than that, this shoe is really amazing. And it's well crafted too, and it smells a little bit like retail. It smells a little bit, but it's alright though. One thing I can say about this shoe is that this shoe came out, I believe, for a price of either between 100 or 110, but I might have to dig up more information about this shoe. I do know for the fact that this is part of the College Dunk Pack from 1985, meaning that this is probably like a re-release pair, but in a low top version. But it's alright though, for sure. It's all good. But yeah, how y'all feel about these Cobalt Dunks? I know for sure I'm happy as hell to get these pairs. Like, yeah, like one person, I know someone that has them. He said they're like amazing. He took out the insole and stuff like that. So that's pretty much all he said to me. But seeing them firsthand, damn, I don't even know what to say actually. Is it for sure? So yeah, shout out to the big man and the plugs for trying to get me this shoe, of course. So I thank them for that. Yeah, man, I just can't stop staring at this pair. Like, literally, this pair literally screaming, wear me so much. But yeah, I thank them enough for sending me this shoe. And I also thank y'all for watching this video as well too. We are still growing. We're at 1,200 something subs. I didn't check, so that's why I said something. But we're gonna keep growing. We're gonna keep working hard I'm gonna keep working hard for you guys, coming out with bigger, better content for y'all, and more shoes to review as well, and try to get a little bit more creative as well too with the OnFoot. So, but you'll see when I drop more videos sooner or later. But now, why don't we get to this OnFoot review and show y'all how Cobalt Dunks look like on my feet? Let's go.